it's Gifty. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm bringing you month 21 with my DIY MICROLOCS. Now I promised you guys that I'll be bringing you this month's updates in 2 weeks. That was 2 weeks ago, where I was making a 20th month with my DIY MICROLOCS, and I promised in 2 weeks time I'll come back here and then bring you another update, because back then I hadn't retightened my hair. Now I've actually done so. So my hair my locks kind of look different right now, a little bit more, kept. So I said, why don't I make a video now? I was supposed to do this on the 29th because I always celebrate my monthly goals on the 29th, because that's when I finished installing my locks 1 year and 9 months ago. So we're already 1 year and 9 months into this lock journey. I'm so excited. And so yeah, in a minute I'll give you a 360 of how my hair looks like now that it is retightened. And for those of you who want to know what I'm using in my hair, it's just rose water, and it looks like this. I used to use a different brand, but they are almost always out of stock. I even did a subscription so that they will send it to me every other month, like every 2 months, and somehow it wasn't arriving, and I was like, what's happening there? So when I checked, they were out of stock. So I decided to go with another retailer, and I found this one. So this is also very good. It's 100%. The packaging is nice. I like it, and it smells as mild as the other. Like, I don't see any difference in quality. So yeah, anyway, so I got this. I spray that into my hair. I can use it daily, sometimes I don't, but I don't have a real routine. But normally if my hair looks, when you wake up from bed, your hair kind of looks like this. So to rearrange my locks, I just spray it, and it helps it to arrange my hair better or faster, to put them nicely in place. And then when it comes to oiling my scalp or using any other products in my scalp, I just use vitamin E oil, and that is over here. So I put it in a bottle like this, and then I kind of fill that in here, and then I drop that onto my scalp, and then I just massage that into my scalp. I do this like once or twice in a week, depending on how my hair feels or how my scalp feels. If I feel like it looks a little bit flaky or stuff, I wet it a little bit with the rose water, then I add the vitamin E oil, and I just massage it into my scalp. I don't necessarily put it into my locks, normally just on my scalp, but the rose water, I spray it into my locks. So before I talk too much, let me just give you this 360 so that you see. So this is the front. It's growing quite long. So it's like passing my eyes now, somewhere here. So yeah, and then let me turn to the side for you. So this is the side, and then the back. Then the other side, and I'm back to the front. So now I'm doing my 360 better than before. Sometimes I would say I'm giving you a 360, and I'll do a 180 turn and then get back to you. But yeah, so that's how it looks like. And now after I've retightened it, I'm going to make another test on if I could put it into a ponytail that looks less struggling. No, I don't want a struggling ponytail like. So let me see. I've been wearing it in a ponytail for a while now, so it's possible. Like, it's still not the biggest, but let's see. Let me turn around. So this is it. I think it looks presentable. I can actually work with this. So it gives me this kind of sleek look, So yeah, overall, I'm really happy with my hair, and I really can't complain. So if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. I'll definitely get back to you and give you all the answers. If there's anything you want to ask me, just contact me also on Instagram, DM me at FinityWoman, and you find me there. I always answer all my DMs, so yeah, you can hit me up there. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, you know. And yeah, that's it actually for month 21. The next update will be 22nd month. So I'm actually now 1 year and 9 months officially into the DIY MICROLOCS game. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this update. Hope to see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.